Okay, so happy morning. I'm fucking tired, barely waking up, but we got plans to do. Looks like my Christmas present finally ready. Looks like it's finally made. It took about half the damn year, but we tried another size, but it didn't work. But we're gonna try. We're gonna see if this is gonna be the one. So I'm off to my uncle's shop now. We're gonna change these Jordans out to red bottoms. So let's see how they look. So we on the way. Alright, well here it is. These are the 28s, MTW. I want to give a quick shout out to my boy Jose. He was real patient with me. I changed the design I think maybe 3 times, but I'll get more into that. I'll do a little story time on that eventually. But they looking nice. I mean, we got them on rubber bands. We're riding rims on them. But what I wanted to get to was when this truck was stock, and I was telling people my plans about how I was gonna drop it, put on intros. They would tell me when, and when is it happening? When are you gonna do it? And then I did it. And then when it was on intros and drop, I did the candy paint, and they were asking, well, why? Why did you do it? You know? And then I put it on 3-piece MTWs. And now they ask, what's next? What's next? Well, there is no what's next. That's it. We hit it. We hit the top of what I think we can do with the truck. So I'm pretty satisfied with it. I don't know if I should do anything else or we should build another truck. But y'all let me know. What's y'all favorite rims? Drop a comment down below. Like, subscribe. And let's see what else we can do. Rough out here. Where's the
like this?
Yeah, like that. Damn, brother. The drive down a bitch. I'll just put this in the fucking video, bro.